देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
And do you know where the majority of the prisoners in Guantanamo came from? Where do you reckon? Where were they? Where were they captured on the battlefield? What do you reckon? No, it was Karachi, which I looked on the map. You know, you do that Google thing. It's exactly 1,000 kilometers from the battlefield in Afghanistan. And you know why they were captured in Karachi? That was your dear President Musharraf. And if you read his book, In the Line of Fire, which I strongly advise you not to, it's a terribly boring book, but if you go to page 244, you'll see right there that he boasts, when he's criticized because he says people say he's not doing enough to support America, he says, how dare they say that? We have sold the majority of the prisoners in Guantanamo to the Americans for bounties, for money, which we, the government, have taken. But when I saw Afia in January of this year, I'd just come from Guantanamo Bay, and I have had the immense privilege of representing 87 prisoners in Guantanamo. And I'll tell you this, that Afia Siddiqui has been subjected to far worse things than any of the prisoners that I represented in Guantanamo Bay. And as a result, she's far more psychologically traumatized.